Today we will talk about a more advanced way to handle SSH keys. Here we will create a unique key pair between each client and each service. Of the many ways to handle key pairs, this is the one that I subscribe to since it provides a lot of security without getting ridiculously complex. In this example, PC1 has a separate pair for services 1, 2, and 3. PC2 also has its own keys that mirror this. It is important to organize your keys so that you know what each is for. I like to start off with an identifier such as the domain name followed by a username if there are multiple, followed by the algorithm used. I also like to give my public keys the .pub extension. I also make sure to set a key comment of username at hostname so I can easily identify the public keys on a server. Linux usually does this automatically, but you need to set it in PuTTyGen. This is important to me because the service you SSH into maintains a list of the public keys with the comment. If the private key is compromised, you can easily find its public key using this comment. I also highly recommend you add a password to your private key to prevent its immediate use should it be compromised. At the very least, you should create a complex password you do not use outside your SSH keys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and get in there.